Hey everybody, this is Debbie with Best iPhone Game, and today I've got a new app I want to introduce you to. It's called Piip, P-I-I-P Messenger. Now if you look at it, here's the little icon there on my iPhone. I will tell you first of all, this is iPhone only, so you can't use it with anything, any other device. It's iPhone only. And this is a cross-platform mobile and web messenger, and you can use it on your iPhone, but there are also some other major smartphones that will be able to use this too, so that you can be able to send messages for free between your phone and maybe some of your friends' phones. And you can also change between messages on this particular app, if you're using your computer or whatever, so it allows you to change your chats up from different devices, so that's really cool. Let's see, let's go ahead and open it up and I'll kind of give you an idea how it looks. Now I want to tell you before we get started also that my iPhone is acting crazy today and is just not giving me very good service at all, so I won't be able to show you everything from within the actual app on my iPhone, but the things that I can't show you on my iPhone, I'm going to show you some actual screenshots from the the iTunes App Store. And I do advise you, if you get this app, go there and read the description page and all the information on there, because you'll probably find some more information there that I forgot to go over, so it's very, very helpful. So a couple of things I want to point out to you when we get started, or before we get started actually, that this particular messenger allows you to send messages from your iPhone, to another iPhone or other smartphones. Oh, it's been a long day, you guys, for free. And you can also continue chats, even like I said before, on your home computer, or if you're at the office or in an internet cafe, or different things like that. It's very reliable, it's very secure, and as far as data security goes and everything, it's really, really good. So you don't have to worry about anything like that. So let's go ahead, and if you look down here at the bottom, you can see the chats button highlighted good enough. So this is the screen that's going to actually show you where your chats are. So once I activated the app to start, this is one of the first messages I got, and I would show it to you except for it's got a password on there and I don't want you to see it. So anyway, you will see that this is where all your chats will be listed one after the other. So if you want to start a new chat, you can click right here, and it will give you the ability to choose. If you want to send a chat message, you can click there. If you want to do a broadcast message, you can click there. And if you don't want to do either, you just click cancel. So that's easy enough. So over here in the bottom right hand corner, there's a little button called settings, and if we click on that, now you can see it activated. It'll show you some other things that you have that you can do. Now first of all, this little picture was blank to start. Now if you it just had a little square. So if you click on that, you can go to your pictures that you have actually in your device, and you can choose one to put there. You can also type in your name here, status. You can change your notifications as far as sound and vibrations. You can check Social Security and do different things like that. You can delete your account if you want to. You can also tell your friends about this by email or text message. And if you click about here, it will show you more information about this particular app as far as like what version and stuff like that. So that's really helpful. If you click on the middle, there's a little button here called Contacts. Now that's going to show you all your contacts here, and since I don't have any right now, and this is for Piip, since I don't have anybody else that I'm actually working with at this point, or that I'm chatting with, this is where they would be listed if you were using it. Favorites, you'd have them all listed right here, okay? And the all one just basically just shows you, your contacts on your phone. So I'll go to that real quick, but I won't show it all. But anyway, that's where your phone contacts are at, okay? And if you want to, like I said, go back to chats, all your chats will be listed here. Some other things I want to point out to you on this particular chat software, no login required. Now that's really, really cool. That's one less password and ID to have to remember. And this app also synchronizes all your contacts, and so that's really good to know. And if you want to, it also can show your friends, where you are by using the Google Maps ability on your phone. So that's really cool. So let's look at that right now. I'll pull you up here and show you on my actual computer. Now these are some screenshots that are actually on iTunes. Like I said, I can't show you a whole lot more on the phone as far as this app goes, because my phone is just freaked out. So anyway, so this particular screen shows you, you can see someone is showing you, they're actually sharing where they're at. So, via Google Maps. And then, here's like the messages are sending back and forth. Some other things you can do, it has the ability to show you, let me move this over a little bit, here we go. As far as the messages go, you can also add, you have a lot of these little faces, little emojis that you can add to it, so you have several of those, and that's really cool. That's a lot of fun. Makes it much more unique. And once you're looking at your chats, like we were talking before, that screen I had that was basically completely blank, this is where your chats would all be listed as far as being able to see the different chats you've been having with the different, your different friends. And that's really, really helpful. So say, for example, maybe you want to go back and send some more information to Monty or whatever, or talk to him about something else. And click on that, boom, and get started up again. So that's really good. Let's see. Also, as far as colors go, when you're sending your messages, each color has a different meaning. And if you look at this screen right here, it actually shows you, green means your message has been read. Yellow means that they have gotten it, but, they hadn't had a chance to look at it yet. Orange, your message has been sent. Red, your message hasn't been sent yet, but it will be soon. So that's, really helpful to know what those different colors mean. And lastly, let's look at it. Let me just scoot over here so you can see it better. There you go. You can actually see a screen of, one of the messages. So that's really helpful. So it kind of gives you an idea of, know what to expect. So if you get a chance, I definitely suggest you, if you're into messaging and, you want to try something that's cross-platform and has a lot of different capabilities and things that you can do, I definitely encourage you to try out this Piip Messenger. That's Piip Messenger. It's a really cool messaging app, and it's free, and I think you'll enjoy it. So go ahead and give it a shot today. That's Piip Messenger, and see what you think. And then you guys can come back and leave me some messages on this particular video and let me know what you think of it. Anyway, this is Debbie with Best iPhone Game. You guys go out and get Piip Messenger. Have some fun. Thank you very much.